In the heart of a busy city lived a young woman named Emily. She was an ambitious professional, driven by the idea that success meant working harder and longer hours. Emily had a corporate job in a fast-paced tech company where deadlines, meetings, and endless tasks defined her day. As the days turned into weeks, and the weeks into months, Emily poured all her energy into her work. She hardly took time off, skipping meals, working late into the night, and cutting short her weekends to meet her goals. Her phone buzzed constantly, emails from colleagues, reminders for meetings, and tasks she needed to complete. Despite the nonstop hustle, Emily always felt behind. No matter how much she worked, there was always something more to do. At the same time, her personal life began to suffer. She stopped calling her family, missed a few of her friends' birthdays, and spent very little time for herself. Emily thought she could handle it all, convinced that success was about pushing through the exhaustion. One evening, after yet another long day at the office, Emily sat down to relax, but her mind kept racing with thoughts about work. That night, while trying to unwind, she stumbled upon an old journal her grandmother had given her years ago. It was a collection of handwritten notes and life lessons, filled with wisdom that she had often ignored. As Emily flipped through the pages, one phrase stood out to her. True success is not in what you achieve, but in how well you balance your life. Confused and intrigued, Emily sat up and read the quote again. It seemed to speak directly to her restless heart. She had always thought that success meant working harder and achieving more, but now she was questioning everything. She felt tired, overwhelmed, and disconnected from the people and things she loved. The next morning, Emily made a decision. She needed a break. She called her grandmother and asked if she could visit. Emily hadn't spent much time with her grandmother lately, and something inside her told her it was time to seek guidance. When Emily arrived at her grandmother's house, she was greeted with warmth and a sense of peace. The small house was surrounded by beautiful flowers, and the air smelled fresh and calming. Emily had always admired how her grandmother seemed to have it all together, peaceful, happy, and always ready with words of wisdom. "Grandma, I feel lost," Emily confessed as she sat down across from her. "I've been working so hard, but I feel like something is missing. I'm always stressed out, and I don't know how to find balance anymore." Her grandmother looked at her with a gentle smile, as if she had been expecting this moment. "Come sit with me, Emily," she said, patting the chair beside her. "I have something to share with you." As they sat together in the living room, Emily's grandmother began to share a story from her own life. "You know, when I was your age, I was just like you. I was ambitious, determined to succeed, and always running from one thing to the next. I thought if I worked hard enough, I would be happy. But I learned a valuable lesson, Emily. True success doesn't come from how hard you work or how much you achieve. It comes from finding balance." Emily was curious. "What do you mean by balance, Grandma?" Her grandmother continued. "I remember a time when I was juggling work, family, and everything in between. I thought I could handle it all, but I started to feel drained and disconnected. It wasn't until I met an old woman who shared a powerful lesson with me that everything changed. She told me, life is like a wheel, Emily. Each part of your life is like a spoke. If one spoke is too tight or too loose, the wheel won't turn properly. Emily's grandmother leaned in and looked at her with eyes full of wisdom. There are 4 key parts of life that we must balance: work, health, relationships, and self-care. If we focus too much on one, we neglect the others. You must give each one attention, not equally, but enough to keep the wheel turning smoothly. Work provides purpose and a sense of accomplishment, her grandmother continued. But if you neglect your health, you'll burn out. Relationships give us joy, love, and support, but if we don't nurture them, they'll wither. And lastly, self-care, taking time for yourself, whether it's relaxing, learning something new, or just being still. This is just as important as anything else. Her grandmother paused, letting her words sink in. Balance doesn't mean dividing your time perfectly between all these things. It means giving each part of your life the care it needs at the right time. Sometimes, work will need your full attention, and other times, your health or relationships will need more focus. But remember, when one area dominates all the others, the wheel of your life can't turn smoothly. Emily listened attentively, realizing how true her grandmother's words were. For so long, she had been putting everything else on hold for the sake of her career. Now, she understood that she needed to make changes. Grandma, how do I start? Emily asked, feeling both overwhelmed and inspired. Her grandmother smiled warmly. Start small. Begin by setting boundaries at work. Don't check emails after a certain hour, and take weekends off to rest and recharge. Schedule regular exercise or walks outside, because your health is the foundation of everything. Make time for your loved ones, family, friends, or even a hobby you enjoy. And most importantly, take time for yourself. Do things that bring you peace, even if it's just a quiet moment with a book or sitting by the window and thinking. Over the next few weeks, Emily began to apply her grandmother's advice. She started setting limits on her work hours, prioritizing sleep, and focusing on maintaining relationships with her family and friends. She took up yoga to help clear her mind and spent more time in nature. Slowly but surely, she began to notice changes. She felt more energized, less stressed, and more connected to the world around her. Her work didn't suffer. In fact, she was more productive than ever. But now, Emily felt balanced. She had found a rhythm that allowed her to be successful without losing herself in the process. Months later, Emily had transformed. She was still ambitious and driven, but she now understood that true success wasn't about working nonstop. It was about nurturing every part of her life, ensuring that her work, health, relationships, and self-care were all in harmony. Emily's colleagues noticed the change in her as well. She became a source of inspiration to those around her, teaching them about the importance of balance. They began to follow her example, setting boundaries, taking care of their health, and finding time for the things that mattered. Success is not just about achievement or working harder. True success comes from finding balance, balancing your work with your health, your relationships, and your personal well-being. When you give attention to each part of your life, you create harmony and a deeper sense of fulfillment. Remember, life is a wheel. Keep all the spokes in balance, and your life will roll forward smoothly.